A simple cup. A serious creator strategy. The worker deserves his wages. Luke chapter 10 verse 7. Many creators produce valuable content every week but have not built a simple way for their audience to support their work. They publish YouTube videos. They write thoughtful blog posts. They host live streams, record podcasts, share leadership insights, and create resources that help people grow. Their content carries value, but the financial return often depends entirely on advertising algorithms, sponsorship approvals, or platform monetization requirements. That is where Buy Me a Coffee can become useful. Buy Me a Coffee is a creator support platform that allows your audience to send one-time contributions, become recurring members, or purchase products and services from your online shop. One-time supporters do not need to create an account, which removes unnecessary friction from the process. But the platform must be approached with the right mindset. My governing principle is simple: brand first, platform second. Buy Me a Coffee will not create your message, build trust, or replace consistent service. It gives people who already value your work a clear and convenient way to participate in what you are building. Monetization is not manipulation when it is rooted in service, transparency, and stewardship. What is Buy Me a Coffee? The name makes the platform feel informal and approachable. Instead of asking someone to make a donation or enter a complicated subscription process, you can invite them to buy you a virtual coffee. The coffee represents a small financial contribution toward your creative work. However, the platform now goes well beyond one-time coffee payments. Creators can receive one-time support, offer monthly or annual memberships, publish posts, sell digital or physical products, offer services, and connect support notifications to live streaming software. Supporters can use major credit and debit cards and, in supported regions, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Cash App. As of July 2026, Buy Me a Coffee does not charge creators a monthly subscription fee. The platform charges a 5% transaction fee, while Stripe handles payment processing fees, typically listed as 2.9% plus 30 cents. Creators may be able to absorb the processing cost or pass it to supporters. This makes it possible to begin without adding another monthly expense to your business. You can start small. Test the response. Learn what your audience values. Expand when the demand becomes clear. Clarity comes when you move. The 3 levels of Buy Me a Coffee monetization. The most effective way to understand the platform is to see it as a simple value ladder. Your audience can support you at 3 primary levels: appreciation, belonging, and transformation. 1. Appreciation through one-time support. The first level is the simplest. Someone watches your YouTube video, reads your article, listens to your podcast, or attends your live stream. The content helps them solve a problem, make a decision, strengthen their faith, or see their situation differently. They may not be ready to purchase a product or join a membership. They simply want to say, "This helped me, thank you." Buy Me a Coffee gives them that opportunity. This works especially well for educational, inspirational, faith-based, commentary, tutorial, and problem-solving content. You are not placing the content behind a paywall. You are allowing those who received value to respond voluntarily. The invitation should be natural. If this message encouraged you and you would like to support the continued creation of this content, you can buy me a coffee using the link below. There is no pressure. There is no guilt. There is simply a clear pathway for gratitude. 2. Belonging through membership. The second level is recurring membership. Buy Me a Coffee allows creators to establish membership levels with monthly or annual pricing. Each level can include specific benefits, such as exclusive posts, behind-the-scenes updates, downloadable resources, early access, private discussions, personalized messages, or community experiences. Creators can also limit membership numbers when an offer requires more personal attention. This is where a regular support can begin to develop into predictable monthly income. For an Affirm Your Greatness audience, a membership might include deeper identity teachings, monthly leadership reflections, downloadable affirmation guides, private live streams, group coaching sessions, or early access to new resources. The key is not to overload the membership with rewards. A membership should make one clear promise to one clear group of people. Do not create 10 benefits you cannot consistently deliver. Start with 2 or 3 meaningful benefits you can steward well. Leadership is stewardship. Your members are not merely subscribers. They are people who have trusted you with their attention, expectations, and financial support. Serve them with consistency. Communicate clearly. Deliver what you promised. 3. Transformation through products and services. The third level is your Buy Me a Coffee shop. The shop can be used to sell digital products, physical products, or services. The platform allows unlimited listings without a listing fee and includes features such as discount codes, limited quantities, member pricing, customer ratings, and pay what you want pricing. The platform fee is charged when a sale occurs. This opens several possibilities. A leadership coach could sell a goal-setting workbook, a personal growth assessment, a recorded masterclass, or a strategy session. A pastor or ministry leader could offer devotionals, Bible study resources, sermon planning templates, leadership training materials, or recordings from previous workshops. A blogger could sell an ebook, checklist, research guide, writing template, or premium article collection. A YouTube educator could sell a course, consultation, template pack, production resource, or step-by-step guide connected to the subject of a popular video. The principle is straightforward. Your free content identifies the problem, builds trust, and provides genuine value. Your paid resource helps the person go deeper, move faster, or receive more personalized support. Your next level requires your next yes. Using Buy Me a Coffee with YouTube. YouTube is one of the most natural platforms to connect with Buy Me a Coffee. You do not need to wait until your channel qualifies for advertising revenue before building a creator support system. You can begin serving your audience and allowing them to support that service from your earliest videos. Place your Buy Me a Coffee page in every relevant video description. Include it near the top, before viewers must click, Show More. Add a brief explanation of what their support makes possible. You can also place the link in a pinned comment and mention it naturally near the end of the video. The timing matters. Do not open every video by immediately asking for money. Give people a reason to care. Teach something useful. Answer the question. Share the insight. Then extend the invitation. You might say, if this video gave you clarity, you can support the channel by buying me a coffee. Your support helps me produce more faith-rooted leadership and personal growth content. During YouTube live streams, Buy Me a Coffee can also connect with software such as OBS, Streamlabs, or StreamElements. When someone offers support, an alert can appear on screen with customized graphics and sounds. This creates an opportunity to acknowledge supporters in real time and strengthen community participation. The support should never become the center of the broadcast. The mission remains central. The platform simply helps sustain the mission. Using it with social media platforms. Your social media strategy should not depend on posting the link repeatedly without context. People respond to meaning. On Instagram or TikTok, place your Buy Me a Coffee page in your bio or link in bio page. Create occasional short videos showing what you are working on, what the community's support has helped you produce, or what resource is now available in your shop. On Facebook, share the link in your page information, relevant posts, livestream descriptions, and community announcements. On X, you can place the link in your profile and create a pinned post explaining what you create, who it serves, and how supporters can participate. Buy Me a Coffee also recommends regularly reminding followers about memberships, shop products, commissions, and published posts because only part of an audience will see any single social media post. On LinkedIn, the approach should be more leadership-focused. Instead of saying, "Please support me," explain the purpose behind your work. For example, I create practical, faith-rooted leadership resources for people who want to grow in identity, character, and influence. Those who find the work valuable can support future resources through my Buy Me a Coffee page. Speak with confidence. You are not begging for support. You are inviting people to invest in the value they want to see continue. Monetizing a website or blog. Buy Me a Coffee should not be viewed only as a social media tool. It can become a powerful addition to your website or blog because website visitors are often more intentional than casual social media viewers. They may have searched for a specific answer, read an entire article, downloaded a resource, or explored several pages. That attention has value. Buy Me a Coffee allows creators to embed buttons or widgets directly into websites. The platform specifically recommends placements such as blog sidebars, footers, email signatures, newsletter footers, product thank you pages, and link in bio tools. On a blog, one of the best placements is immediately after the conclusion of a helpful article. The reader has just received the full value of your message. That is the right moment to offer a simple invitation. Was this article helpful? Support the creation of more leadership and personal growth resources by buying me a coffee. You can also place a button inside your author biography, on your About page, or within a dedicated Support the Mission page. For longer tutorials, guides, or personal stories, a second button may be placed naturally within the article. The goal is visibility without interruption. The same principle applies to Substack and other newsletter platforms. Buy Me a Coffee's official guidance recommends placing a support button at the end of a post, inside a welcome page, in a publication footer, or near a high-value section of an article. Your website can also direct visitors to specific shop products. An article about overcoming limiting beliefs could lead to an identity affirmation workbook. A blog about leadership development could lead to a leadership assessment or coaching session. A post about discovering purpose could lead to a recorded masterclass or guided reflection resource. This is not about attaching an offer to every paragraph. It is about creating a responsible next step for the person who wants to go deeper. A simple creator ecosystem. Consider how the pieces can work together. A person discovers your short video on social media. That video leads them to a full YouTube teaching. The YouTube description sends them to a related article on your website. The article includes a Buy Me a Coffee button and a relevant downloadable resource. After receiving value, the person may offer one-time support, purchase the resource, or join your membership. One message has now been stewarded across several platforms. That is not merely content creation. It is an ecosystem. The goal is not to become dependent on one platform, one algorithm, or one income stream. It is to build several connected pathways around a clear message and a trusted brand. Your audience may first support you with one coffee. Later, they may purchase a resource. Eventually, they may join a coaching program or recommend your work to someone else. Do not despise small beginnings. Consistency compounds. Begin with one clear offer. You do not need to activate every feature immediately. Start by setting up a complete creator profile with a professional image, a clear description, and a simple explanation of what the support will help you produce. Activate one-time support first. Next, add one useful shop product connected to content your audience already responds to. Then, after you have demonstrated consistency, consider launching one membership level with a manageable promise. Track what people respond to. Listen to their questions. Improve your offer. Let the real audience's needs guide your expansion. Clarity comes when you move. Before receiving payments, complete the platform's payout requirements and understand your financial responsibilities. Buy Me a Coffee states that creator income is generally subject to applicable income tax rules and that creators are responsible for determining and remitting relevant sales tax or VAT where required. Professional tax guidance may be necessary for your location and circumstances. Steward the income with the same integrity with which you create the content. Final thoughts. Buy Me a Coffee is not a shortcut to sustainable income. It is a bridge between valuable work and the people who want to support it. You still need clarity. You still need consistency. You still need to understand your audience and create resources that genuinely help them. But you no longer need to assume that advertising revenue or major sponsorships are the only ways to monetize your message. Begin where you are. Use the content you already create. Give your audience a clear next step. Build trust before asking for support. Make the invitation without shame, pressure, or apology. There is greatness in you. There is also value in the work God has entrusted to you. Affirm what God has spoken over you. Steward your gift intentionally, and create a structure that allows the message to continue growing. To create your own Buy Me a Coffee page, use my invitation link in the video description below. Transparency note. This is my Buy Me a Coffee creator referral link. Under the platform's current referral program, active referrals may unlock platform rewards for the referring creator. The program does not currently pay the referrer a coffee each time an invited creator receives support. Your next level requires your next yes.